All right, everybody. You know that YouTube often changes things, so I'm going to refilm this section and add it to Module 2 when we talk about going into our YouTube studio, because they've changed the way how we're going to access adding things to our channel. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to move my face up here to show you exactly what we're going to do. So here is the dashboard. You see the content. It used to be called videos, but now it's content because I think they also have live streams there. And we have the copyright, subtitles, monetization, and here is the change right here is customization. So this is where you can access making changes on your channel. So I'm going to click that. I'm going to go into it. Yes, come in. There we go. All right. So here's what it takes you to. Now there's also links to this from your main channel. So you can get there either way, just like before, but now it takes you to this menu. And so what we have here is, let's go back into the basic info. That's where I have people start out with your channel description. So the lesson before this is still applies. You're going to get all your information to plug into this part. So there's my channel description. There are the links. Now, I don't have a custom link because I don't have 100 subscribers in this channel. And there are all the links that you see. So this is the same thing, but you're going to import it here than before. And you have the 5 links there. And then here is what they call branding. So this is where you're going to upload your banner image and your profile picture, which actually this makes it a lot easier. It used to be really wonky. You had to go out of these places and it was kind of messed up. So here's where you're going to create your profile picture. Here's where you're going to put your banner. And then they have this, what they call the watermark. I use that. That's something that can show up so people can supposedly subscribe to you. So that's a new way of doing things. And then we have the layout. Now the layout is where you can customize different videos. So you can have a channel trailer, which is if people haven't subscribed, you can put an introduction video or just one of your more popular videos. For people who haven't subscribed, you can feature another video for your returning subscribers. You're just going to click add. And I haven't done that yet, so you can pick any of these videos that you can do. And I have to move this again. There we go. And so you can pick the videos. So if you are going to film an introduction video, you need to upload it first before you can add it. So that's the way it works with that. And then here are what we call the featured sections. So you can add sections to your channel. I talk more about the playlists in week 7, I think, or it's week 6. But this is how you can do it. So you can add different sections. So you're going to click here for a section, and then you can click popular uploads, short videos, live streams, single playlists, created playlists, things like that. So because this channel is new, I don't have a lot of playlists. I've just started it since June. I just have uploads. And then I have my other channels. These are my Vocal Splendor Studio channel. This is my Creative Cosmic Splendor channel, and all of them, and my performance channel. So you don't have to have channels, but it's just another way to customize it. So if I wanted to, I could create another section. I could create a single playlist, and I'll just say this one, creating a YouTube channel. So there it is. And then I can move them around. So I can put this up like this. There. And I might just do it one more time. There. So now I have it like that. And I might just keep it that way, because you know what? The more options you have for people to watch your content, the better. That's the thing. You don't be shy. Add a lot of content, because everybody's going to be interested in different things. So this is the new way that we're going to do it. So again, it's just that customization. And then I'm going to show you how to do it through your channel. So hopefully it'll work for me here. Okay, so here's my channel. The same thing. You can manage your videos. This takes you into YouTube Studio. I'm going to click here. It's the same way. It should, yep. So it takes you back to that. And then I'm going to go back, and then you can see the changes I made on my channel. It's kind of slow. It's not going. All right, so I'm going to go here. There it is. So you can see, should refresh that. Okay, it looks like I didn't save. That's probably what happened. So let me go back to the custom. There it is. Yes. Oh, okay, it is, because my head is in the way, because I haven't even used this that much. So I'm going to put my head back here, and I'm going to play publish. So that's the thing. Usually with YouTube, you have to double and triple check and confirm things. And then I'm going to make sure that it shows up. There it said channel changes published. I'm going to go and view my channel. And let's see, I might have to refresh. And shoot, it still didn't work. So I'm going to do it again. This is frustrating. I'm going to go back to right here. Go back into my channel, customization. So there it is. So I'm going to change that again. I'm going to add a section. I'm going to create a single playlist. I'm going to create starting a YouTube channel. And then I'm going to put this up here. I might have had too many browsers, so it didn't show up. I'm going to put this down. There. Okay, so I want the single playlist right away. I'm going to move my head. I'm going to say publish. There we go. Publish changed. So now I'm going to go to my channel. Hopefully it's going to show up with the new. And again, it still doesn't work. All right.